Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about probably one of the biggest numbers known to man. This number is called Tree 3, and yes, Tree 3 is very big. Much bigger than Graham's number. This number is ridiculous. The amount of digits in it is crazy, and it's a lot. So we're going to be talking about the size of this behemoth number, and we're also going to be talking about if there are things that are, in fact, Tree 3. Anyways, let's get started. So I actually posted a video yesterday talking about the number centillion, and centillion is a really big number. That's a 1 followed by 300 zeros. But Tree 3 has much more digits. So Tree 3 is definitely a really big number. So we're gonna just use a size comparison. This is a really hard one, but just imagine a number that has so many digits in your head. It had enough matter in it to form a gigantic black hole. That's how many digits is in Tree 3. The amount of digits that this number has, if you were to try and hold it in your head, it would probably have enough, I don't know, but it would probably hurt your head. Definitely give you a headache. But just imagine there are so many digits that it's enough to make a black hole. That's how many digits are in Tree 3. Yeah, Tree 3 is a really big number. Now we're also going to be using a few examples. Imagine for a second that there was a spaceship, okay, that was Tree $3. Tree $3 is much more than a centillion dollars. Centillion is not even 1% of Tree 3. Tree 3 is not. Now remember though, Tree 3 is not infinite. A lot of people get that mixed up. No, Tree 3 is not infinite, but it is in fact a finite number. That means that it's big, but it has an end eventually. Tree 3 is ridiculously huge, and it's gigantic. It's enormous. It's interesting. But question: some of you might be wondering, how on earth did we get this big number? Well, you see, you have to remember this. Tree 3 is a part of what we call the tree sequence, which I'm guessing is just like a group of the number tree, but it has like almost like Tree 4 and Tree 5 or something, I'm guessing. And I don't know, but it's just that. Tree 3 is definitely a very big number. It's gigantic. And crazy fact, did you know that there is nothing that is actually Tree 3? That's right, there's no Tree 3 things, because Tree 3 is just too big. It's huge, and it's gigantically, it's just enormous. That's all I can really say about it, because it's just so big. But here is something that we do, know about this number. It's much bigger than Graham's number, but just remember, numbers go on forever and ever and ever. There are, in fact, numbers that are bigger than Tree 3, but we'll get those, we'll get onto those, later on, later on. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this Tree 3 explaining video. Have a wonderful day, and have a happy Christmas and a happy New Year, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.